Okay guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to solve this double integral, and it's my first time to solve a double integral, and I'm going to post on my YouTube channel, so I hope you like, subscribe, and let's go for what really matters right now. Yeah, first of all, let me sketch the region by using, of course, the integration limits here. Sorry for my dog, guys. Sorry for my dog. Yeah, if we try to sketch this it's equal to, because we are integrating in terms of x. So if we integrate in terms of x, we get this, right? And of course, if you see, the graph will look like this. Here it's 1, here it's 1. X, when x it's equal to -1, here -1, you get this like this. And y, it's 1, this, and it's 0, it's around this, around here. Yeah, so the region is this. We are dealing with this region here. And as you see, first we are integrating in terms of x, so y it's constant, so we are doing like this. But I won't use this, I will change, because I want to use something really cool in the future. If you see now, x is constant, and I'm going to integrate first in terms of y. So yeah, let's go. Let me write this: x to the power 1 over 3, y to the power -1 over 2, this blah 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 to the power of 1 over 2 dy dx. I'm doing this because I want to do something really cool in the future. Only this. If you don't do this, I don't know. Yeah, it'll be almost impossible, almost impossible. Then yeah, let's see. Y, in terms of y, this function here, I can write like this. It's y 1 minus x, so I can like this, right? Then we see from y to y is 0 to this function here, 0 to 1 minus x, and x, it's obvious, -1 1, right? -1 1 for x, it's really obvious. Okay. I said in y word x is a constant, so I can let c it's equal to 1 minus x, and -1 here to 1. This I can take out this, as it's a constant, in y word, so yeah, I get this y to the power of -1, this c, it's c, right? This, and it, of course, here it be 0, c, I mean it's c. Now there is no need to use Jacobian, what I'm doing right now. There's no need. I can let y it's equal to ct. Let's see, t is a variable, because I said c it's a constant, right guys? Right? Yeah, I know that, yeah, now we get this, right? It's equal -1 1 blah 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 dx. Of course, we need to change the integration limits here. When y it's equal to 0, t it's equal to 0, just plug in 0 here. When it's equal to c, plug in c here. Replace y with c, get c, so here will be 1. If you do this, c it's equal to c, of course it's 1, this, even for 0 it's that. What else? Yeah, here y. If we plug in here, replace ct, we get this, right, minus here, don't forget this 8. Yeah, so then we get this. Hey, I'm overusing this. Hey, yeah, we get. um let's do something here. Let's get time. I know that talking, yeah, from people who, I don't know, who are genius, I'm not a genius, but I know that you are genius, so let's skip some things here. Let's put on evidence C here. If we put on evidence C here, we just get C to the power 1 over 2. And when it multiplies by this, C to the power minus 1 over 2, we get 1. Just add the exponents, guys, right? And we get this C here. C, it's a constant. So we get this. It's C, this C from here, dx. Then we get this 0 from 0 to 1, t to the power 1 over, well, it's 1 over what? Yeah, it's this. Yeah. Then we get minus 1 minus t to the power 1 over 2 dt. I just wanted this all my all life. I just wanted this because now it's obvious that we are going to use beta function. What is it? Beta function is like this. Beta function 0 from 0 to 1, pay attention. Yeah, I can say x. Yeah, x to the power of m minus 1, then 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. I just wanted this, only that, because I know this it's equal to gamma. It's another function gamma of n, then over is that necessary? Yeah, m plus n. Yeah, let's go. So this video we change the limit integration. We use beta function. Of course, using beta function, it involves gamma function. Yeah, let's go. Now here, this integral here, minus 1 to 1, c, it's equal to this, right? 1 minus x, this, the x, right? Yeah, let's evaluate this. If you compare m, if you do this, it's pre-calculus now. It's pre-calculus that we're going to do. Minus 1, m minus 1, it's equal to minus 1 over 2, right? Just comparing these, and then we get it's equal to 1 over 2, m, it's equal to 1 over 2. What about n? N minus 1, it's equal to 1 over 2. So we get this, it's equal to 3 over 2. Now I can say that this all integral, it's equal to gamma of 1 over 2, gamma of 3 over 2 over, if we add this, we get gamma of 2. Yeah, this gamma here, it's equal to square root of pi. And this, there's a properties there, of this, yeah, it's equal to 1. Note, I'm not memorizing this stuff, guys. There is a property that we can use for this one, for gamma of 2. Then 3 over 2. Yeah, 3 over 2. 3 over 2. I can write it's equal, like, I can write like this. 1 plus 1 over 2, right? This. Of course, there's a property that says this is equal to 1 over 2 gamma of 1 over 2. And gamma over 2, we already know what is it. It's this square root of pi. Square root of pi. Now, let's integrate this. Yeah, if you multiply this, you get what? This. If you add the exponent there, yeah, you get this, right? Dx times there, what I get, yeah, square root of pi times square root of pi. It's 1 times 2. Good, yeah, good. So I see that here we get pi over 2, right? Pi over 2. Yeah, let's integrate this right now. If we integrate this, just add 1 here, you get this. Yeah, it's that. It's full. It's full, and then you get 3 over 4. 1 to, yeah, from -1 to 1. Yeah, what I get, it's 7 over 3. 3 here, 7, right? 1 minus 1. Okay. Then we get pi over 2. Here, let's see. 1, we get 1. Yeah, here we'll get 0. It's 0. There we get 0, right? Is that? Let me think. Yeah, it's 0, guys. It's 0. Then here, how can we do? 3 over 7. Why, yeah. This, if you plug in this 7 minus, right? Then this. It's obvious that we'll get, it's 3. Yeah, we'll get 2 here. It's obvious. It's obvious because it's 1 here, right? Then here we get -1. -1 with this minus plus. We get 2. So we get this times 2. We can cancel out this and this. Hey, don't forget this minus here. There's a minus, this minus. So we get 3 pi over 7, guys. And bam, damn.